Hello, my name is Kathy and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to check what aliases are connected to a specific commandlet. So let's say that we want to check what aliases are connected to remove item. This does not work. We have to type almost the same, but we have to add the parameter definition before we add the commandlet that we want to find the aliases for. So we type get-alias space dash definition space and then the name of that commandlet. And then we hit enter. In this video I have showed you how to find all the aliases for a specific commandlet. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like, share and subscribe.